Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Plenty of Fish login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the Plenty of Fish app. First close the Plenty of Fish app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the Plenty of Fish app. Then swipe it up to close it. Now reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Open Safari and try loading any website. If it does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open the Plenty of Fish app and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the Plenty of Fish app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Plenty of Fish app. If update is available, install it. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait over 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open the Plenty of Fish app and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Plenty of Fish server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be with Plenty of Fish servers. Open Safari and search Plenty of Fish server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Plenty of Fish login error, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.